you can create a social club account on your Rockstars. Now, come on, we all know Rockstars, we all know GTAs, right? So to create an account, first open up your web browser, and after you open web browser, just type in socialclub.rockstar.com. And after you type that in, your browser should load up this page right here. Now, just open the top link. After you open the top link, here you can see two options. One is to sign in, the other one is to sign up. The one we want to do right now is sign up. So after you click there, you'll be able to create a new account. So just follow through, you give it your birth date, and after you've given it your birth date, tap on next, accept the terms and conditions, type in your email, create a password, and also create a nickname, and select your region. And also, if you want to receive early word on all Rockstar games, you can just put a tick on this box. After doing that, click on next, and then it will send a verification code on your Gmail. Now, after you get the verification code, just type in the verification code. Let me just see the verification code. So did I get it? Okay, so I did get it. After your account has been verified, you need to go down below, make sure that your profile is visible or not. You can set your privacy settings, you can set your feed activity, you can manage your game, visibility of your game stats. After you do all that, tap on continue, and then you will have created a Social Club Rockstars account. There you can see the account has been created, and that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like the video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.